Inaba Denko America is a subsidiary of Inaba Denko Japan. We're based out of Torrance, California. Our primary focus is residential and commercial ductless ancillary products. A big focus right now, especially with the summer coming, is line set protection. And today we're on site at a commercial application with the RD.
This is Phillip Burtner Apartments. It's for the Allegheny County Housing Authority, and this is located in Tarentum, PA, just outside of Pittsburgh. Right now they are installing a 20-ton VRF simultaneous heating and cooling system. There's actually 2 separate buildings, and each building is getting a 20-ton system with 34 indoor units per system. Line set protection is important because of the UV rays. They actually damage the insulation on the line sets, and it actually increases the longevity of the system.
Slimduct RD is a commercial line covering system. It's designed to cover and enclose multiple line sets, typically when you're dealing with VRV and VRF applications. So there's a few things about the RD that really make it a superior option when it comes to protecting the line sets. It's made of magnesium, zinc, and aluminum, so it does not corrode, so it's great on rooftops. Also, it can be mounted on a wall, in a ceiling, or on a roof. So it's really versatile for those types of jobs.
Slimduct RD was actually chosen for this project because the majority of the line sets are actually up on the roof, and the architect and the owner wanted to protect the line sets for as long as possible, and we felt that RD series was going to be the best solution for that. We actually worked closely with Gerry from Marketair. He assisted us with the design of the project, and to do that we just sent him the roof drawings from the engineer, and he was able to actually provide an accurate and detailed layout for both the bidding process and for the install process, as well as for the ordering process as well, because there are a lot of pieces. So we wanted to make sure that we had an accurate list of material for the contractor to install.
I would strongly suggest to any contractor in the industry to take a closer look at the Slimduct RD line covering system. It's one of the most versatile, long-lasting solutions out there.